Well, I think being chartered to me gives me a broader appeal to people outside of our profession. So if you think about me working in medical physics, then obviously my colleagues will understand very much exactly what I do. And I've got a clearly defined training route. I'm a clinical scientist. People understand that. But if I go out into the wider world and want to communicate where do I sit professionally, I now sit alongside chartered engineers, chartered accountants, which is a much broader set of professional standards, if you like, that I align to. So that's really good. So I became chartered because I was a member of the Institute of Physics and Engineering in Medicine, and when they first introduced the Chartered Scientist scheme, it was aligned with that membership criteria plus some other questions that I answered at the time. So I think it's been something that's very useful for, as I say, giving you that broader appeal to people. So I would say if I'm dealing with people, for example, in the political world, or I'm talking to people in organisations that maybe fall outside of health and care, some of our local governments and councils, for example, that it really helps to inform my professional status in those conversations. I've also actually worked abroad, and I think that chartered scientist status has been really helpful in those conversations. So I would say to people, go and find out more about it. There's lots of information available on the IPEM website on how to become chartered. And if you're interested, find a chartered scientist, go and speak to them about their journey. How did they achieve that chartered status, and what should you do next to take that next step?